And then Angel, harap ka dito.
Dito kayo sa Senado.
Ayan, so bago natin tawagan itong taong ito na napaka-espesyal sa buhay mo, kung i-describe mo, sir, music lang po.
I-describe ka daw.
Ayan, kung i-describe mo ang tatay mo,
Nako.
anong klaseng tatay? Si Adi Angelo.
Alam mo nga may
Mukha ni Daniel Malino.
ano po, si Daddy, he is my rock. He is someone that I could always rely on. Na kahit pinapagalitan ako ni Mami, kakampi ko siya lagi. So yun.
Wala, umiiyak siya. Si O.
This time, everybody, isa sa mga tao talagang unang nagmahal sa kanya, her knight in shining armor, protector, supporter, a father that is always with her.
Iyakin mo yung
Palakpakan naman po natin. Yes, families and friends. Let's all welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Daddy Angelo. Sige, Angel. Harap ka na. Once again, isang malakas na palakpakan para kay Angelo.
Umiiyak siya.
Ayan, so ngayon, Angel, ito ang mensahe ng Papa mo. Ayaw niya kasing basahin kasi kinakabahan siya at baka maiyak po daw siya ngayon. My dearest Angel May, tonight, as we celebrate your 18th birthday, I find myself looking back on the years that have passed so quickly.
English.
From the moment you came into my life, you have been a source of joy, inspiration, and immense pride. You have grown into such a bright, intelligent, and beautiful woman, and I couldn't be prouder to call you my daughter. Angel, as you step into adulthood, I want you to remember that life is journey filled with both challenges and triumphs. But with your brilliance, determination, and kind heart, I have no doubt that you will shine in whatever path you choose. Never be afraid to chase your dreams, stand up for what you believe in, and embrace every opportunity with confidence and grace. No matter where life takes you, always remember that I will be here. Your biggest supporter, your protector, and your forever loving father. You will always be my little girl, and my love for you will never change. Love, Daddy Angelo. Palakpakan naman po natin. Happy birthday, Angel! Ayan, Daddy.